Liam's fingers tapped relentlessly on the screen, scrolling, liking, reacting. Notifications lit up his phone like fireworks, each buzz a tiny jolt of dopamine. School, a blur, meals, eaten with one hand, phone in the other, conversations, half heard, half cared for. So when his parents took his phone and sent him to his grandfather's remote cottage for the summer, it felt like exile. The village had no Wi-Fi. His grandfather had no television, just books, trees, and an ancient kettle that whistled every morning like clockwork. Silence pressed in on Liam from all sides, thick and uncomfortable. That first morning, his grandfather poured him tea and said, "Today's lesson, what is the sound of one hand clapping?" Liam blinked. There is no sound. That's the point, right? The old man just smiled. Is it? Days passed. The silence stretched on, no feeds to scroll, no one to chat with, just chores, sweeping, watering plants, and walking with his grandfather through misty woods. Each night, Liam would lie awake, restless. His mind raced, full of imaginary notifications that never came. One afternoon, tired and frustrated, Liam finally snapped. "Why won't you just tell me what it means?"